Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Peace, 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 peace. Greetings. Just finished this course. 4 weeks. Got 4 weeks on our belt. Inventory as a voting system cohort four. Let me tell you, it's the truth. It's the truth. It brought me from zero to know how to trade, to know how to take a trade, to know when to get in, to know when to get out, to understand the terminology, and to understand what I'm doing. When I tell you, you must take a look at this course. You must invest in yourself. You must do the work. Jay the Trader, excellent coach, excellent mentor, excellent person. Much respect to him. But this course, you got to get your hands on it. If you don't know how to trade, if you're new to trading, if you doubting, just come up with the cash. Just come up with the money. You have to invest in yourself. You'll pay for school. Got to do it. It's a must. It will take you to the next level. Hope to see you in the with the family because I'm gonna be around for a minute. So hope to see you in the family. Much respect. Peace, peace. Thank you, thank you. Enjoyed every bit of it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo, 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 woo.